Welcome back, everyone. In the last episode with Track Attack, you saw us assemble the engine. Now we got it set on the cradle already. We're going to install our Mantic clutch. We're going to get the car dropped back onto the cradle, get everything bolted up, and then we're going to send you over to Justin for its first startup.
The engine's going back in Track Attack, and one of the changes we're making this time around is a 25% overdrive lower pulley with the GripTec process applied to the ribs. That is why it is black anodized instead of the regular aluminum. After the GripTec process is done to the grooves, the pulley is anodized, actually hard anodized, to give the aluminum some additional toughness. I'm really excited to see what type of effect this has. Going from a 15% overdrive to a 25% overdrive allows us to go 2 sizes larger on the upper pulley, and going to the GripTec process reduces slip even more. The guys are going to get this installed on the balancer ring, get the engine in Track Attack, and we're going to go from there.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. We're just hanging out here under Track Attack, minding our own business, turning some bolts, you know, just relaxing. Engine's in Track Attack. We're gonna go ahead and finish buttoning everything up. Once we're ready for that first startup, we're gonna go over to Justin, and we're all gonna be very excited.
The engine is back in Track Attack. We're going to start it up for the first time and hope everything goes smoothly. It may be a little bit noisy, but not a big deal. We've got E85 in Track Attack. No more shenanigans on pump gas or poo stain. It is full E85 with a VMP fuel system. Clutch feels good, nice and bled. Here we go. VMP, we also do tuning, so we can check out the tune and make sure there is nothing catastrophically wrong that would wreck this brand new engine. One of the things that I feel is really important to look out for is If you have an O2 sensor issue and the engine is just running pig rich, that could potentially take out the rings. It could fill the oil with fuel, and it would just be a really bad day for your brand new engine. So that's some of the stuff that I was just checking out in Track Attack. Luckily, the O2 sensors are working good. They're switching. The air fuel is correct. I also looked at variable cam timing at idle. So if you manage to mistime a Coyote when you were putting it together, you will actually see that in the data logs, since all 4 camshafts have position sensors on them. Luckily, I shouldn't say luckily because we do know what we're doing at VMP. All the cams are in the right place, the cam timing is correct, everything looks really good. We're going to take Track Attack out on the street and get the clutch broken in. We did upgrade to a Mantic Triple disc. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I think I did, but Jeff did us a really good deal on a triple disc. That's what this car needs to hold this type of power. So we're gonna get that broken in. We're gonna get the engine broken in, and I'm just gonna check the oil before I even drive it. And then it's time to go to the dyno. We're gonna see if we can break our own record. Joe and I made 1141 rear wheel horsepower before with the Gen3R secret sauce. We've got the same blower, but we've got a whole lot more engine underneath it now. It's no longer a stock Coyote. It's a built 5.2 liter with upgraded camshafts, 11-to-1 pistons, all the good stuff, forged rods. We shouldn't be able to break this one. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share to see the results of Track Attack's engine build. I'll see you guys next time.